Copy that. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely incredible.
Well, we are trying to outrun a thunderstorm.
Don't say it.
We are outrunning a thunderstorm.
We're not out.
We're running 7 knots. Boat is running fantastic. Sailing like a dream. And the monsters are trying to chase us.
Cooking steak on the boat. It's really hot down here, so they're having to shift when we cook because you get overheated really fast. So here comes Steve.
And you get overheated.
Yeah, his turn. Hey.
Hey.
Been a pretty rough couple of days. Just came out of several storms thinking there's probably going to be another one. We ended up turning back toward Port St. Joe to get back inland and take a bit of a break.